According to legal documents, Taylor Swift texted Blake Lively and called Justin Baldoni a bitch with a tiny violin. The purported text message dates back to December 2024, a few weeks before Blake Lively's lawsuit becoming widely publicized. According to reports, Taylor Swift labeled Justin Baldoni a bitch in a text message to Blake Lively. As the case gets closer to trial in May, Lively's attorneys responded to Baldoni's legal team's move for summary judgment in a letter to Judge Louis J. Lyman on Tuesday, January 20th. Parts of purported text communications between Swift, 36, and Lively, 38, are cited in the document to illustrate how the friends talked about Baldoni, 41. I think this bitch knows something is coming because he's gotten out his tiny violin. Swift is said to have written in early December 2024. Although Lively's attorneys acknowledge that the quoted language appears in the cited source, they claim it does not support defendants' assertion that Swift and Lively privately discussed a forthcoming New York Times article that revealed the legal dispute when it was published on December 21st, 2024. Baldoni's legal team claims that in additional communications, Lively requested Swift, who was supposedly already en route to see her friend when Baldoni was in Lively's house, to approve a revised version of the script she was proposing even without having read it. "I'll do anything for you," was Swift's purported response. Lively's attorney retorted that Swift met with Baldoni, agreed to do Lively's bidding, or endorsed the revised draft. Lively respectfully refers a court to the cited source for its complete contents and disputes any summary or interpretation inconsistent therewith. The legal team for Lively wrote in the documents. The singer was reportedly told in a subsequent letter by Lively that she was so epically heroic today and that she recapped every moment to her husband Ryan Reynolds. "I kept thinking about things, like you making up things about lenses and me, and calling yourself my doll. This clown is falling for it all, while opposing it as well." Lively allegedly wrote to Swift, "You're the world's absolute greatest friend ever." According to sources who previously spoke with People, Lively's legal dispute with Baldoni, whom she accused of sexual harassment and retaliation allegations he disputes, had damaged their bond. The actress alluded to her husband and Swift as her dragons, who defend her in Lively's purported messages to Baldoni that were included in his January 2025 countersuit against Lively and Reynolds, which the judge has since dismissed. This is a reference to Game of Thrones. "I have a couple dragons." Lively's purported text said, "For better or worse, but usually for better, because my dragons defend the people I defend as well. Thus, those beautiful monsters of mine are truly beneficial to all of us. I can assure you that you will as well." Smiley face emoji. Swift's representative issued a statement distancing the pop sensation from It Ends With Us when Baldoni's attorneys tried to subpoena her in May 2025. Taylor Swift never set foot on the set of this movie. She was not involved in any casting or creative decisions. She did not score the film. She never saw an edit or made any notes on the film. She did not even see It Ends With Us until weeks after its public release, and was traveling around the globe during 2023 and 2024, headlining the biggest tour in history, according to a Swift spokesperson at the time. The connection Taylor had to this film was allowing the use of one song, "My Tears Ricochet," the representative continued. This document subpoena is intended to utilize Taylor Swift's name to generate public attention by producing tabloid clickbait rather than concentrating on the fact of the case, since her involvement involved licensing a song for the movie, which 19 other artists also did. In June 2025, Brian Friedman, Baldoni's attorney, told TMZ that Baldoni wants to be vindicated, and that's all that he cares about. "He knows who he is," he continued at the time. "He is aware of his actions. He is aware of his shortcomings. And he wants the truth to be revealed, and he wants to do it in a proper manner. He's waiting for his day in court, where he can speak out to tell the truth," Friedman said.